Let's do a quick device and filament check before we slice and print. First, we're going to check the physical device and make sure it has filament loaded. Next, we're going to go back to Bambu Studio and go to the device page. Here, we're going to make sure that the printer we have selected is set, and the colors and the manufacturers are set as well. If you need to check, just click on this edit icon down here at the bottom. Next, we're going to go to prepare. We're going to click slice plate. Once the plate is sliced, we're going to go up to print plate. This is where we make any final adjustments. It tells us our time, tells us the amount it's being used, which colors, coming from which spools, and which printer. We're going to go ahead and click send and start this print up. We have just downloaded, sliced, and set the machine for our 3D print. We'll see you in the next video.